Alrighty guys, guess what just happened? You know, a little sneak peek of what we just got there. That's our new project. Guess what it is? KX450.
Non-running.
Yep. Got it. The guy had it listed as a KX450 and he had it listed for $1,900 and we went there, saw it, and we ended up getting it for $1,000 non-running. Feels like it has good compression though, but we're gonna see you guys at home and go get it cleaned up and see what's wrong with it. Back, here's our KX450, our $1,000 budget build, the flip. Has a jammed up carburetor. We got it to fire over for a second yesterday. We put some gas down the cylinder right there, pulled the spark plug. Now that's all back in, cleaned up the spark plug a little bit. Now we're gonna take this subframe off, so we're gonna have to undo that bolt, the pipe, and some couple other bolts. Pull the subframe off and loosen the shock, undo the top shock mount, lean it back, pull the carburetor out, clean it up nice and good. Then we're gonna see if this thing will run.
Alright, so we got the bike in the garage, and before I could come out and do a montage of Jace taking the plastic off, he's already ripped half the bike apart. So there's that. So we're gonna, what are we gonna do, Jay?
Just take it apart. See.
Just take everything apart. That's what Jace does.
Look at the plug, clean the carburetor, see if we're getting spark. Just
that sucker's
see where
dirty.
we're not running. So we're gonna just kind of diagnose it.
Ow, so. Hey, there's an exhaust leak.
Obviously. Okay, cool. Sick, bro.
Okay, so Jace rebuilt the
carburetor.
carb while I was sleeping, and that was his first startup.
Yeah, that was the first time I heard it. Now, this is interesting. There's no coolant in it. That scares me. I'm hoping there's not a bad head gasket or something. There's also, it looks like this seal's been replaced, which I think that's the seal you do to get to the water pump. So I'm going to put some coolant in it. Look, just triple check the oil, make sure it's not milky or anything. And, well, put it all back together and take it for the first ride. Can't ride this second because it's a little snowy outside. You guys can see that, but
I don't know if they can see it.
it's snowing.
But
We're gonna get this all done and then hopefully
then we go rip her.
That was cool.
And hopefully you guys will see that it was shooting huge flames before it started.
Yeah, I was up inside, Alec was kicking it over, and I came out and he showed me, he goes, boom, and there was a flame like that long out of it.
I don't know what was going on, but it runs now. So we'll throw this plastic back on and put coolant in it, and
Should be good.
get her going out wheeling if I can.
Yeah, gotta figure that part out of it.
Okay, let's do it.
See you guys in a second. Alrighty, first ripper time. See if she starts. Oh, big worker.
You're gonna ruin your shin, bro. Is the gas on? Come on, man.
I'm too short for this thing.
You got cold feet, huh?
Oh, just kidding, guys. She's class.
Okay, let me try.
Hey, no, please, dude, don't.
I warmed it up for him. Badass, huh?
Maybe a little too low vital.
Is that supposed to happen? No, kick it for you again.
Oh, I know the problem.
What? That does not sound good, man.
What?
It's not sounding good.
No, it doesn't feel right.
Oh, it's in gear. What happened, buddy? Here. Go back up that way. Alright, what is up? You got Alec and Jace here from Clutch Throttle. And I hope you're having a great day. But so, here's our KX.
This is our budget build. Originally, I said we were gonna flip it, but
It's hard,
I don't know. It's so nice. I just have a hard time trying to sell that thing.
So we went and picked it up in somewhere in Utah. I don't know. But so we went and picked it up and we talked the guy down. So we ended up getting it for, I don't know how much.
$1,000 is what we got it for.
So we got it for $1,000.
Didn't run. There was no coolant in it, and the guy had it listed wrong. But we got it for $1,000, $1,000. Clean title. Everything's basically perfect on it.
So then we got it. We picked it up, put it on the trailer. We brought it back, and Jace he rebuilt the carburetor. He cleaned it all up and got it. And we put it back, put the plastic back on it, and then we put gas in it.
And it ran.
Kick it over, it runs.
It runs really good. The idle for when the car was messed up, but fixed that up. Now it idles pretty good. It could use a throttle cable, but I don't know. It's pretty set right now. Tires meaty. Chain could be shortened because it needs, the chain is loose, really flappy. You can't see it, but
Got some slapping diet. So that's basically it for a build of it, unless we put another pipe on it or do something. But we'll do some, if we don't flip it, we'll do a video on that if we do flip it. But
we'll do some riding videos.
We'll do some moto vlogs. And we have, I don't know if you can see, but we got a couple more bikes. And we got a...
You won't be able to see it, but we got a... Oh, I guess we'll tell you that later.
Yeah, we got some.
We got some secrets.
But then we got a huge build coming on a Banshee, so that'll be pretty sweet. So
it's mixing street with Banshee. That's all the hit you're gonna get. It's
So-
gonna be fast.
thanks for checking in, and hope you have a great day.
See you guys next time.
Peace.